I've got my hands on the brand new 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2021 or 5th generation. Let's unbox it and see what I think about it. Next on A Mix of Tech. Hi guys, welcome to Mix of Tech, where I review technology for the consumer prosumer and I give my take on the things I see. Today I've got the iPad Pro 12.9 and it's the 5th generation or 2021, however you want to call it. I'm going to unbox it, see what it's about, and see what my initial thoughts are. So I have to say, Apple makes some of the best unboxing experience. And so this should be pretty simple. May not even need my knife for this, but let's check it out. All right. Yep, it was that simple. All right. Yep. So it comes with the iPad, feels pretty solid. I can tell it's a little bit heavier, definitely a little bit wider, but pretty much similar to what I have on my 2018. And then it comes with some materials, which is always standard for Apple. And then we've got our USB-C charging block and a USB-C to USB-C cable. It's one thing, Apple, I wish that you would go to standard USB-C for all your devices. My iPhone 12 Pro Max is still using Lightning, so I have to go between this and USB-C and Lightning, and it's a little frustrating. So Apple, if you're listening, go to USB-C for your iPhones. All right, so with that out of the way, let's unwrap it. Plastic sounds awesome. If you haven't seen my video already on which iPad I'm getting, go check it out because this will give you more details on why I have this space gray 12.9-inch iPad Pro. All right, so while I'm setting this up, I'm just gonna do some quick comparisons and what I see between my 2018 3rd generation and my brand new 2021 5th generation. I'll say you can tell that there is definitely some depth difference as far as the thickness of the iPad. It looks pretty much the same, and this was a space gray, so it's going to be quite similar as far as the looks go and the characteristics. One of the big differences is the cameras. This is definitely going to be different from my 3rd generation, and it's going to have some upgrades to it from a camera standpoint. So I'm going to go more in depth on my review of this in coming videos, so make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. But just in my initial thoughts after unboxing it, it's very similar as far as the design. Definitely we know the exciting part about this is going to be the screen. I'm really excited to see the differences. I'm someone that loves OLED. Now this is not OLED, this is a mini LED-like display. So I'm really excited to see what this is going to be like in comparison to speeds and capability by having an M1 chip in here versus the A-series chip on my 2018. Now, I'm also gonna do a video on cases, and I have 2 cases I'm really excited about. I've got the brand new Logitech Combo Touch case, which I'm gonna try out. Definitely do a video, so make sure to subscribe to see that. And then I've got the brand new 5th generation Apple Magic keyboard. I hope you liked this video, and if you have, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more great content like this. And thanks for joining A Mix of Tech.